So hello there and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Stripe to receive online payments, whether you are selling a product, subscription, or just to need send a one-time invoice. So this works for Google sites, landing pages, also portfolios, and even one product stores. So before we dive right in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Now let's dive right in. So before anything, make sure you have a Stripe account. You have to head over to stripe.com and sign up if you have not already. So let me sign up right now. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So once you are logged into your Stripe dashboard, you will be ready to start collecting your payments. So let me show you how you can do it. So if you're billing a client or want to receive a custom payment invoices are the fastest way. So from your dashboard, you have to click invoices on the left. You will find the option. Let me find the option invoices here. Where is the option? Let me find it. Um, okay, let me search for invoices. You can see this here. So now you have to click onto, okay, wait. Let me show you again. Just search for invoice. Here you can see this option called create an invoice. Tap onto this option. Now you have to add a customer, for example, name plus email. If it's a new customer, you can add new, okay? If you now let's add a customer name for, let me add his name Jacob. Wait, Jacob, and let's choose currency. Now you have to choose your currency for it. Wait, something is wrong. Let the preview load. Okay. Now you have to add Jacob as it is a new customer. Now you have to enter Jacob's email. For example, it can be any email like Jacob221 at the rate of gmail.com. So now you have to choose the language for your preferred one. Like you have to choose a preferred language. Now you can add additional details from here like descriptions, billing information, and etc. if you wish to. You can also choose a time zone from here. You can choose the language, extra language if you want. You can add numbers and you can enter next invoice currency or taxable. You can add tax ID from here. Everything you can add. You can just simply tap on to add additional details and you can customize them. Now tap on to add customer. So as you can see, I have tapped on to add a customer. Here you can see the ads has been created. Now finally you have to click on to send invoices after following all the steps I just show you. So at the top right corner here you can see the send invoices after the one text called get your live account. So after tapping onto it, you have to tap onto send voice. So simply tap onto send voice. That's it. The customer will get a Stripe hosted invoice. They can pay online now. You just have to add some payments. Like as you can see, you have to activate payments to email an invoice to someone other than yourself. So just tap on to activate account if you don't have an account activated, and if you already have an account activated, then this option would not be shown to you and you can directly send invoices from here very easily. Now you have to simply enter your legal name, your project, your date of birth, your home address, and your number. Then you have to continue with the social security number, okay? Then you have to simply click on the option of send voice. And if you want to edit something furthermore, then you can just tap on to continue editing. you can add to can tap on to pay the invoices here. So like if you want to add something else like an extra items like clothes and etc, you can just save it like this. You can also add coupons if you want it. You can add shipping methods here from easily. So this is how you can send an invoice. Tap on to send invoice and you can go to payment page. Wait until it is fully loaded. Here you can see this is its preview is something like this. So that's it. This is how you can send invoices. You can set the price, on time or recurring, and click save product. So after clicking, after you are done with all this option, you have to tap onto payments. Here you can see this. Now you have to tap onto payment links. From there, we will create a new payment link. Like go to payment link and tap onto new, and from there you have to enter all the details of your payment. Here you can choose them, and also enable billing plus shipping address collection. Like connect them, tap onto them. So after completing all the customization, you have to tap onto create link. um, Tap on to create link, and there you go, your link has been created. As you can see, the link has been created here. Now just copy the link, and Stripe will, as Stripe just generated you a link, you can share or embed into your website. Now you can share this link anywhere, as I just told you, and that's it. So this is how you can use Stripe to receive online payments. Like just copy this and you can paste it to your any, you can paste it to your website, Google sites, anywhere. So that's it. Stripe also lets you generate QR codes for more customers to scan and pay. If you're selling in person, you can set a Stripe terminal like POS system. You can also manage your payment methods like Apple Pay, Klarna, Google Pay from your dashboard. So this was it, and make sure to check the link in the description. Now you know how to receive a payment using Stripe, whether it is through invoices, payment links, embedded checkouts, or quick QR codes. So if this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below with any questions or feedbacks. I will try to reply every comment. And share this video with anyone who needs a simple Stripe payment setups. And as always, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.